the rays of the sun or something.
Look at this light.
Crazy.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Nerding out.
Nerding out. Here it comes.
Standing in anybody's way.
Wow. Look at this. Crazy.
Look at, there's a plane. It's gonna hit the sun.
Holy moly! Look how weird.
I know.
It's not even like night dark.
You can see a star right here.
Oh,
That might be Venus.
look at that. It's Mom.
Oh my
There's a
gosh.
star right there.
What are you looking at? Oh my gosh. Oh, you see a star. Look at that. Wow.
Okay, it's almost.
Look at behind us. Look at the sky.
You guys, yeah, look at the horizon.
The sky behind us is really
all
dark.
around us.
So cool.
Oh, it's almost gone.
It's going.
People are yelling behind us.
Where's the snake?
Oh, look at the rays.
There, you can see the snakes.
Oh my gosh.
You guys, look.
Oh my gosh.
Look. Look at it, you guys. It looks like it's moving.
Watch your track.
Get that.
You're gonna miss the moment it goes out.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. Oh my God.
Oh my. Oh my gosh.
Look at.
That is sweet.
Oh my gosh.
It wakes you up on the camera.
Anybody want to look through the binoculars?
Look at the star next to the moon, the sun. There's a star poking out. Yeah, there's a star just to the left of it. Wow, you can see the little jagged spots on the moon.
Look at the on the right.
Yeah.
The flare. You know.
Right next, you can see the jagged spots on the moon. Another star
Oh,
over
here
there.
comes the beads. Those are the beads.
Are you getting good pictures? That's incredible. I can't get it on my cell phone. It just looks like a bright lights.
Glasses on or off?
On. If you guys look at those flares.
Glasses on! Glasses on!
Look at this! Woohoo! And I'm sure it dropped 63. So I bet you it got down close to 60 for that 2 minutes. That was so cool.
That's what I was just telling them. Is like, I'm gonna head back down to Salt Lake. They're going, that was amazing. I'm like, you don't even know.
You don't even.
Yeah, you're just gonna think I'm bragging, but you don't realize what you missed.
No.
Yeah.
How do you
experience it?
Oh my god. You can tell people all day, they're not gonna know.
Can we say no? It's just
something. That's so. That's okay.